handlebar, but that's a full bike.
So I think we're just about to pull up our third bike.
I need this. Right under. Definitely a bike.
Oh, another tiny fish in my arm there.
Sorry. Okay. Tell me what you think it is. You don't have to record.
It's a bike, push bike.
Pretty cool.
Okay, we're just about to pull up. We're trying to get up for like ages.
Should pull it out, Josh.
So let's just see what it is. Looks like some handlebars of another bike.
Okay.
Our third bike from this morning.
Oh wow.
This one's been in the water
The
for a
rims are
while. It's been in the drink for a while.
Looks like that one.
Let's have a look at it.
Take that off. Here, Josh. Can you throw that behind you? Take this off.
Wow, that's why we were having trouble pulling it up, I think.
It was in the dirt.
It was really in the dirt.
Okay, hold that, Josh. Hold that ball.
It's a done loop.
Let's get it untangled.
It's a gear bike, you can tell.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look, it looks like the same gears.
Okay, we'll put it aside. Yeah. Oh, what's the name? Dunlop.
It's a Dunlop. It's a classic.
Dunlop. I love the fiery bits here.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's had
It's
it.
Days.
No, it's had it.
Not even got any spokes left on that tire.
Okay, let's put it with the other bikes. We'll show you at the end, guys.
We need to...
The guys are just trying to pull something up at the moment. Okay.
Okay.
Here, okay. The bike is coming out. The second bike, well, sorry, fourth bike's actually is coming out.
Hold that magnet one. Pull that other one, this one. Pull this one. Hold it tight. Let go of the other one.
Get it in the chain.
Here it comes. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Finally.
We push it back in and back.
Okay. Oh. Jesus. What's that called?
It looks like a Huffy. It's a Huffy.
Okay.
Let's add that to the pile.
Bike number 4.
Bike number 4 for today. And it's only been like, say, not even an hour, and we've pulled out 4 bikes. So, Etty's just pulled out a padlock. His first one. He's not pulled out a padlock yet.
I did the splits.
On top, is it? Let's put it in here.
Dad.
We'll give it a clean later. We're going to look at it.
What else do we have on there?
Deodorant.
And it's a deodorant bottle.
We'll pick that up later.
All this stuff that we pick out, folks, we do put it in the rubbish bin. The bikes will leave and council will come pick those up.
Let go.
But we do take our rubbish, well, it's not our rubbish, it's rubbish that, you know, somebody else has put in the water. So, yeah. But the padlock looks pretty new. And we'll be taking that with us too. So what we got here is a dog leash. Etty has caught a dog leash.
What would that be?
Looks like we've found something little. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, but
we're gonna,
it looks like it opens too.
Yeah, we'll have a look at it. We'll take that home and have a little bit of a squeeze.
Yeah, it does open. Look, Josh, like a little jewelry box.
So I'm just going to give you a little, show you our setup here. So we've got this, Etty's tied this bit of rope across a couple of trees. We're using that to sort of, see Josh is hanging on to it now, so, because when you're close to the, especially when it's muddy, it gets a bit slippery. So by putting the rope across, we've got something to hang on to.
Is that a knife?
Especially when we're, oh sorry, I've got to interrupt this intro because
Josh, don't pull it off.
we have found, what's this folks? We found a knife.
Looks like a Rambo knife.
Our first knife.
See the handle?
First knife.
Can we keep it?
No. It's a fishing knife.
It's a fishing knife.
Are you maddies? Are you laddies? Oh my god.
Good find, Josh, good find.
It's actually real nice.
Well done.
Finally. Sorry,
Finally.
Wait, I'm keeping this from washing it when I get home.
Okay.
I'm having a shower with it. Oh wait, no.
So yeah, so we hook the rope over so that the guys have got something to hold on to, especially if they're pulling out something big. They've got something to hang on to so they don't slip and fall, so which is pretty good. So our little spot that we have here, basically it's just at the bank of the creek, but Etty has sort of hooked the rope for the magnet on here, so when he's throwing out, we don't have to worry about, you know, losing the rope or losing the magnet. It's hooked on, it's not going anywhere. See, there's Etty now, just hanging onto the rope. Just allows a little bit more, you know, to hang on to something when you're pulling in. And it looks like he's got something on the end of that magnet.
That's cool. I can see the bubbles. Might be that motorbike. Oh.
We have a motorbike, or what we think is a motorbike, in the water, or something really heavy, so we've been trying to get it out, but it's just not budging. But, you know, you never know. We might eventually get it out. It's down there where Josh is now, but yeah, we're just not having any luck. Okay. Wait. Okay, so the guys are pulling out what looks to be a motorbike, we think.
It is.
There's the handle of it now. Etty's actually using a hook. He's hooked onto the handlebars.
Yeah, that was Josh. Go behind me. Keep holding the rope.
Oh.
Go straight behind me.
Oh look.
Here it comes.
Keep pulling, Josh.
Yeah, it's an off-road.
I want to get rid of that magnet.
Okay.
No more, Josh.
You do it now.
No, I don't want to put the magnet in there again. I see it getting cold because we're not able to pull it off.
Good job, Dad.
Good job to you too.
Sorry. Just having a bit of a breather. It's pretty heavy.
my fingers are going.
Don't pull too much because of these cables, but I'll go that way.
Wow.
What's it?
It's a big one.
It's a mini.
Pull that magnet, Josh. I want the magnet now. No, other one. Help me pull too.
I got it, Dad. You hold it, switch it to the metal.
Yep.
Now get the hook and...
This is a lot of hard work bringing this out.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we had to stop recording, but we eventually did get the motorbike out of the water. And this is it. It took a lot of effort, and we're still moving it to get it away from the bank, but yeah. It looks like it's been there for a while.
Sure is.
But it's a heavy one. So yeah, when you go magnet fishing, you just never know what you're going to pull out.
Okay.
You just never know what you're going to pull out. Awesome magnet fishing there, Bubs.
That's alright.
You're a bit puffed.
Side of the bike.
Is that down?
Wow.
And that is it.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Good find.
The seat's missing.
So these are our finds from today's magnet fishing. We've been here for about 3 hours. So we've got some trolley bits, padlock, headphones, not sure where that little thing is. Then we've got a battery, some fishing hooks, another battery, a bracelet. Not sure where those little bits are. We think they're from a bike or something. Petrocat lid. Bit of a steel pipe. Old money box that's deteriorated. And Joshua's best find, his knife. And up here, we've got the dog leash. And then some trolley stuff. Well, that's from a trolley, we think. Another steel pipe. So, now we'll just go over here. I'll show you what some of our good finds. We have 1 bike, 2 bike, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7 bike. All these bikes came out of the creek this morning with magnet. And then our last find is the motorbike. And there's Josh and Etty with their prize, the motorbike. It was a hard pull out, but they did it.